Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Black color, brown color, violet color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for X. B for bed. C for clock. D for duck. E for eyes. F for fan. G for girl. H for hair. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kids. L for lamp. M for milk. N for nose. O for olive. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for top. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for women. X for Xerox. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.